Hello guys, welcome back to the Oracle learning tutorial. Okay, so today I will going to show you how to use the Oracle SQL Plus on the PC. Okay, so after you install the Oracle database on your PC, so it will by default provide the SQL Plus for you now. Okay, so this one is my information. So if you have any questions, so you can send it via email or Skype directly for me, so I will answer you as soon as possible. Okay, so go to the agenda for today. First thing I will talk about how to log into Oracle database system, and the next one we talk about the create user or schema and grant the permission, revoke permission, connect to create the account, create the table, view table structure, and then insert delete data. Okay, so first thing we will log into the Oracle database. In this tutorial, my Oracle information is I'm using account and password is system and admin 12345. The database name is DB11Z. Okay, so now I will open the SQL Plus for you guys to see. Okay, by default, this one is the user interface for SQL Plus. So it looks like the same for the console application. Okay, so first you enter the username and password, and okay, and the username is system, and the password is admin12345. Okay, so I will enter the system, and the DB11Z is the database name, and I will log into the system by using the DBA role. This one is the highest permission in the database server. Hit enter. Yeah. So you can see that connected to blah 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 here. That means you are using the above account and log into the system successfully. Okay, so if we go to next slide. So next I will guide you how to create a new user or schema in this system. So now I will create a user in general and the password is 123. Here, this message means the user already created successfully. Okay, so by default, if you this after you create the username Chinfu and the password is 123. So now if you want to log in into the system, you cannot log in for now. Okay, so I will try to log into the system by using the account has been created. So to log in into the system, you can using the connect, and then the account name, and then slash and password 123, and hit enter. So you will get the error message here. That means log on denied. So in order to log into the system, you have to have uh, the role is create session. So that means for now we have to use the system account to grant the create session for this account before they can log into the system. Okay, so now I will connect to the system admin with again, and then I will grant the permission for change account. Okay, so now we will grant the privilege for it. So we then grant the create session for this account to make it can log into the system. And okay, so we also grant a lot of permission here for the user. But in this tutorial, I just show you a few permission. If you want to know more, the role of this system, you can Google it. Okay, ran to the user name is successful and the run successful. Okay, that means for now I can use that account to log into the system. Okay, connected. So now I will try to create uh, a table. Okay, so I will leave the item for I will come back to talk it later. So I will back to the item 6, create table. Okay, so I will try to create a simple table here to that. I will name it test one or something like that. ID and the size, the number, and the name. Okay, I think that's all. Hit enter. Yeah, if you get this message, that means this account input for now don't have the permission to create table. Okay, so we have to grant the permission for create tables for this account before we can create a table into the system. Okay, so now I will come back to the system account. Okay, and grant the create table to. Okay, so now I come back to. I try to create a table again. Okay, for now we can create a table, but so I will create this table. Uh, I have one more notice for you. So you can see in this slide the create table is I break it into multiple lines. So but if you're working on the SQL Plus, because it is a console environment, so you cannot break it into the multi-line. So you have to write the code in one line. Just one to notice is not null. Not null. That means you have when you insert the data into this table, you have to provide the value for ID column. If you not provide any, if you left it in null, you cannot insert the new value for into this table. We have a lot of data type here, so if you want to know more, you can Googling it. And the last one, we have to set the primary key for this table. So in this table, I have a ID is the primary key, so I will set it. Hit enter here. Table created. So now we want to view the table structure for created table. We can using the describe. We have two ways. We can type the full function describe, or we can type it with short name DESC. Okay, here you can see the table structure here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 for column name and the type here, and is null table or not. Okay, so now we come back to insert the data into created table. We will using insert into the, and we specify the projection here. Okay, view one, the name is the date. We will use the function is to date to format the date. Here the answer is month is one. The format is year, month, day. Okay, hit enter. Okay, so if you see the no list on the table user, that means you don't have the permission to enter the value into this table. So now you have the system, it means have to grant the permission for this user to be able to enter the value into this table. Okay. Okay, so now we have to come back to the system account. So we grant delete update delete on table to GM. Table dynamic exit. Okay, so we got this user table created by the user Jianwu. So that means when you select or run the person into this table, you have to enter a prefix in the schema. Schema is Jianwu for this table. Okay. Look. Okay, current status. So now we will come back to the Jinwoo account. So come back to the insert here and hit the enter button. No preview on the table. User. That means for now we have to extend the spray for the table spray user. By default, the size of table spray is 0, so we have to increase the size to any megabyte or the unlimited quota. Okay, so we come back to the system account. Okay, so we have enter the user, the quota on the table spray name is user. Okay, so now we come back to the Jinwoo account. So come back to the insert. You can use the arrow on the keyboard here. Okay, enter. Wow, okay, that means one row is created, so you are able to enter the data into this table. Okay, I will try to select. So here we have email, ID, name, email address. Okay. Okay, so we can back to see the table structure of this user. Okay, so we have the column email. We are able to enter the null email and address. We are able to enter the null value. Okay, so now I try to insert a null value into this both 1 or 2 column here. Okay, so I like to delete the high text and this one. Okay, so if I enter now, I change this name. So if now I hit enter button on my keyboard, so I think we will get the errors because we are insert the duplicate ID into this table, because the ID in this table is primary key, so we cannot insert the duplicate data E1 into this table. Okay, so now we try. Yeah, it is violate, so we cannot enter the duplicate data here. So we have changed ID for this one to 2 and then hit enter again. Okay, so now we query it again to see the change. User. Okay, here, so now we have 2 columns here. 2 row data here. 1, 2. So I'll try to insert another three. Okay, select again. We have three, and now we will use the delete. One, three. Okay, select it again. So now we have only two record here. Okay. Okay. So I think that's all for today. After this course, you are able to you are that's how to know how to use the SQL Plus to 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 access into the database system, create user, find the person, connect to the create account, create table, view table structure, and insert and use the data. When also we have reverb privilege here. Okay, so now we back to this one. Okay, so now I will reverb the the permission to create the table for Tianbu account, and then we can see what happened. Okay, so now we connect again to the system account. Okay, so we reverb the create a table from Tianbu. Okay, come back to the Tianbu account. Okay, so now I will try to create a table. Or if you don't have the permission to create a table anymore. Okay, so I think that's all for today. So I hope this video tutorial will helpful for you guys. So if you have any question, you can find the information of instructor in Vũ Hoàng here, and I will answer you as soon as possible. Okay, bye bye, happy coding and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.